On behalf of Trustwave Government Solutions and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around protect and defend your most sensitive data, where you will hear from data experts at Trustwave Government Solutions, share how to implement a proven database security approach to understand and remediate against database risk.
Before we start out, I just want to bring up the reason and the purpose behind our session today, and that is around being able to discuss a topic of securing databases and how it's become a very serious challenge for many agencies and organizations. And one of the most common challenges that we hear from our clients that we work with and with prospects that we talk to is that the bad guys know that some of the most sensitive and valuable data that they can steal is stored in databases. Another reason is that the world of cloud computing, mobility, and the ease of data sharing, it's becoming more difficult to know exactly where your data is at all times. And most agencies and organizations today are capturing a staggering amount of data produced every day by its customers, citizens, internal users, applications, and devices. And it's more and more difficult than ever to keep track of who has access to what sensitive data, or even where all that sensitive data even lives. And cyber criminals, hacktivists, state actors recognize this data sprawl challenge and are constantly probing for ways to access or manipulate that data for financial, competitive, or political gain. And as the attack surface grows in the data center and in the cloud, we are seeing an increase in the number of sophisticated and targeted attacks. And as a result, it is becoming increasingly challenging for organizations to proactively secure their data stores, to prioritize remediation efforts, to reduce excessive user privileges, and to respond to data breach attempts in a timely manner. And so with that context, that's where today our team is here to be able to share with you some ideas of how to protect and defend your most sensitive data.